Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. How are you? Hope you're doing well. So into this little video is all about an event sort of going on next month, a gravel event. Do come and join me. It's the 22nd of October here in the Isle of Axholme in North Lincolnshire, 100 kilometres around the Isle, and yeah, should be a good one. Hopefully the weather's going to play ball this time. It's going to be starting on the Sunday, 9 AM. If you can, try and get here about 8:30. The venue is Belton Kitchen, which is located between Belton and Epworth. There's a big car park, loads of places for you to park your car. And if you want to stay the night before as well, it's not gated or anything. I've often been past there and seen camper vans and motorhomes, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. In terms of bike, it's kind of geared towards gravel bikes, but mountain bike as well, that would be perfectly acceptable if you want to bring a mountain bike. My particular bike, I'll be on the Nukeproof Digger, and that has a 45C tyre, so it gives you an idea of the kind of bike that I'll be using. So that's, again, that date's Sunday the 22nd of October. If you can make it, get yourself involved down in the comments below. I will be reminding you all again a little bit closer to the date. For me, take care, I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.